Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to make a perfect color change without any seam. So if you see here, while changing the color, you can see it is not proper here. Also, in this first round, you can see the color change, this yellow color overlaps with this green color. So we are going to see how to overcome this. Here if you see there is a neat finish, there is no overlap of this pink color. So we are going to see this how to do. There is two methods to do this. One is slip method and one is the half color change method. So let's see one by one. For next round, you need to change the color. For that, you will be taking the color which you want to change and you will do a turning chain. Next, normally we will be doing single crochet in the next stitch with the color which you want to do in that round. So if you do like this, you can see this pink color overlaps with this yellow color. To overcome this, what we have to do is take the color which you want to change, make the turning chain. You can do a slip stitch. So first round we will be doing a slip stitch with the color which you want to change the whole round. So you'll be doing a slip stitch around. So you can see here there is no overlapping of the pink color. So let's see how it looks after doing a slip stitch around. After doing the slip stitch, it looks like this. Next, you can finish it off using a slip stitch in this first slip stitch which we did. Next, do chain one. You can do a single crochet in the first stitch. Next, you are going to work in the slip stitch which we did in the previous round by doing single crochet in each stitch. So let's see how it looks after doing a single crochet round on the slip stitch. So you can see how you are getting a perfect finish of color change without any pink color with this yellow color. I think you can see a difference here. So next method is the half color change method. So let's see how to do that. For that method, you take the color which you want to change and you are going to make a turning chain. Next stitch, you will be doing a single crochet. That is, you will insert the hook here and you will use this pink color for first yarn over. We'll pull through. You will be having two loops in the hook. One will be yellow color and one is the pink color. Next, you will leave the pink color, take the yellow color, next yarn over and finish the single crochet. The top part of the single crochet is the color which you want to change. So how to do is insert the hook. For next, take the pink color for the first yarn over. You will have two loops. Next, take the yellow color for the second yarn over and pull through to complete the single crochet. So insert the hook, take the pink color, yarn over, pull through. Next, take the yellow color, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Insert, take the pink color, yarn over, take the yellow color to finish the single crochet. So if you see here, you will get a perfect finish without this pink color in this yellow color. So let's see how it looks after completing this round. That is, insert the hook, take the pink color first and make one yarn over. Next, you have to finish the single crochet using the color which you want to change. So after completing the round, it looks like this. You can finish it off using a slip stitch using the yellow color. For next round, do chain one. You don't want to change the color. You are going to just work with the yellow color. That is, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch with this yellow color. So let's see how it looks after doing single crochet in each stitch around. After doing them, it looks like this. So you can see how the color change looks perfect than the normal one. So this is how we have to change the color perfectly without seam. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.